What up, though? Adrian from Detroit with BeingTheChange LLC.com, bringing you Chapter 2 of our Wealthy Creation series. Let's jump right into it. Building Wealth from Nothing, The Secrets of Understanding Money, Chapter 2, The Realization. The harsh realization that it's a rigged game can be a tough pill to swallow. You feel like you're on the losing side. But what if I told you that you were wrong? What if there was a way to get ahead without playing the game? But the road is tough, but it's worth it. Nothing is easy. Now, success takes effort and activity. Effort and activity. However, for those of you that make it to the end, the rewards are great. Now, at the end of this road lies wealth beyond what you thought you could attain. You'll have the freedom of never having to worry about money again. Money is a funny thing, though. It's something that we all think about, but few of us really understand. It's the root cause of all evil, but it's also the only thing that can buy happiness. It's something that we all chase, but few of us actually ever catch it. So, what is money? I mean, why does it have such a hold on us? Simply put, money is a means of exchange. It's a way to trade goods and services without having to barter. In other words, it's a way to make our lives a little easier. But why does it have such a hold on us? The truth is, most of us, what we think about money has been influenced by our upbringing and our environment. If you were born into a family that didn't have much money growing up, then guess what? You're already in the mindset, more likely to believe that you won't have much money either. But yay. On the other hand, if you come from a family of wealth, you're more likely to believe that money can buy happiness. Now, either way, our beliefs about money are often shaped by our experiences. So again, what is the truth about money? Really, the truth is it's neither good nor bad. It's simply a tool that we can use to make our lives easier. Now, like any tool, it can be used for good or for ill, but the key is to use it wisely. Now, this journey now sticks with me here. We're gonna have to change the way you've been seeing money your whole life. And that concludes Wealth Tip Chapter 2. Watch Chapter 3 next, The Revelation. For more wealth and travel education resources, please visit cccelevate.com, subscribe to our blogs, rudyratings.com and beingthechangellc.com, as well as stay engaged with Being the Change LLC. Subscribe, please leave commentary about the truth about money, Chapter 2. Thank you so much for your time here and continue to be the change in your community. Thank you.